Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and my name is Louise, and I have a sister too. Check out her channel. Also, it's so I'm so boring. I'm bored in my house, so I want to make a video with you guys. So today's video is gonna be different because I'll be teaching you guys how to make fart sound by using your hands. So first do this, and then like do this, and then just press it. Can you hear that? Okay, can you guys hear that? Okay. Yep, it's working. It go outside here, look guys. But don't squish it and squish it again. Sorry about that noise. So yeah, please subscribe, like, don't forget to comment down below if you like this. Bye guys. See you in my next video.